My name's James Punchin. I come from Manly in Sydney and I'm 38, so I'm a long way from home up here. My introduction and entry into watchmaking is a little bit non-conventional. I was lucky enough to meet a beautiful Swiss woman, Jess, and get married to her here in Switzerland last year. And we made the big decision to sell all our possessions and travel indefinitely, basically just accumulating experiences rather than items and things. And what more of an experience can you have in Switzerland than Swiss watchmaking, you know? So yeah, so I come from an aerospace engineering background. I've always been really into mechanics and pulling things apart and attempting to put them back together. And in my opinion, watchmaking and the art of watches is like the epitome of man's triumph over the mechanical world. I really think it encapsulates the entire universe in something that you can hold in your hand, and it really, there's something romantic about it for me. And yeah, I have always had a fascination with it, and this opportunity being here at the right time is, you know, something that I couldn't say no to. Enough to have time to come in here and do the bench test with Henrik and have a lot of one-on-one time for that week. And immediately, this was the first bench test that I sat, and I immediately knew that this school was the right school for me. The approach to the autonomous teaching style that he has, he really he presents you with a little bit of key information and he lets you go off and practice it to your heart's content. And for me, that is how I like to work. I don't want someone breathing down my neck the whole time. I really like the fact that you can just sit at your desk and practice and grind it in, and he's always there to answer any questions that you might have. Gives you a little bit to your own devices and really lets you learn it your way with just that gentle guidance of how to do it properly. Really.